Hello everyone, Steve here with Black Fly. Welcome to the channel. I just want to take a second and wish everyone a happy new year. I wish you all the best. I pray that you guys would be blessed with health, prosperity, and joy this coming 2023, because we could all use that. But this might be a little bit late, but I just want to take a minute and just wish you guys a happy new year, and thank you guys so much for subscribing and following along my videos as I learn to create content. Another announcement is for my merch that I'm going to be releasing from this point forward. All my designs are going to be licensed. I've hired professional artists because I don't feel my art is good enough, which is kind of cool. So this is one of the designs I just got finished. It's a guide's choice. It's got the little Black Fly Creations logo, but it's really exciting for me because it gives me exclusive rights, and it means that you will only be able to get the designs that the fly designs here on my channel. So it's cool. But anyways, I'm not trying to sell you guys. I'm just excited about it, and honestly, I just want to get on here and just wish everyone a happy new year, and thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. So let's tie a fly. Okay, so I've got a size 12, a scud hook, a 1/5 lead wire, and for the thread we've got some 70 denier and the fluorescent orange. Leave about an eye's length behind that. Just build up a little bit of a kind of a tapered humpback body. We'll stop right about where a barb would be. Okay, so next I've got some black brassy wire. I'm just gonna tie that in and work it back. Okay, so next we got a good old rubber band. It's gonna cut a little point like so. So then we're just gonna catch the tip of that. I'm not gonna stretch it too much because I don't want that cut edge exposed. Stop about right there. We're gonna hang our thread over the cradle and grab our awesome rubber band. We're going to use our the rotary option on our vise, and we're just going to start wrapping this forward, pulling tight at first, and as you get towards the back of the fly, just loosen up a little bit so that way it has more of a hump. And then as you work towards the eye, stretch it tight. And we'll go ahead and catch this, tie this in. I've got quite a bit of tension on it, that's why it looks really cumbersome right now. Let's get a few wraps. This stuff will come undone. You don't get enough wraps in there. So then we're going to get in here real tight. We're just going to stretch it a little bit, trim it, spin my thread counterclockwise, flatten it out a little bit so I can try to capture some of this. We're going to hang our thread over the cradle again. I did 1/2 hitch. So now we're going to wrap our thread the same direction. I'll just break this off. Now we're just going to build up just a little bit of a head. We got a couple more cool steps we're going to do, so hang in there. Now we'll just give it a 5-turn whip finish. Now we're going to take some UV thick. We're just going to build a tapered shell. I'm going to hit it with the UV light. Put a little more right here. Got a little dip. So we'll hit that with the UV again. But hang in there, I got something cool coming. Okay, so here's where things get a little bit interesting. This is actually a UV colored pen. Just gonna color the back with just a light coating and only on the side. Just stop about halfway down the fly, about right there. I'll show you why in a second. Then we're gonna take a red marker and we're just gonna color the back. Just color it red. Okay, that's about 50-50. So then we're just going to take the resin again. We're just going to coat our colored marker. It just added just a little more resin just to give it a little more of a hump back, as you can see. I'm going to hit it with the light. And here's the cool part. See how the UV light lights up that center line? Well, that was the first marker we used. And then the red is the back. The UV does not light up. The sunlight will not light that up. And then you'll have that line going down the side. Watch, you'll see it in the bottom. The belly of the fly doesn't light up. The head does. Then you got that line coming in. And when I get real meticulous, I'll take these and I'll hold them in my hand and I'll draw that line real straight. I didn't do a good job on this one, but you guys get the idea. This is Steve with Black Fly Creations, signing out with the Utah Killer Bug. Take care, guys. And again, Happy New Year to all of you. Thanks for watching. Steve from Black Fly, out.